Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your printer starts leaking ink from the bottom, just like you can see here in the video. But before we begin, I'd like to invite you to activate the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, or become a channel member to support this content. Now let's get started. All right guys, here we have the problem. Our printer has started leaking ink from the bottom. To fix this issue, we're going to do the following. First, we're going to take a screwdriver and remove the cover of the box that contains the ink pads, which collect all the excess ink. We remove the screw that secures the cover, take it out carefully, and then pull the cover toward the back, just as shown in the video. Once the cover is removed, we can see the box that contains the ink pads. This box has a pin on the bottom, which you can see right here. We're going to carefully remove this pin in order to take the box out completely. Make sure to keep it in a safe place so it doesn't get lost. Now we pull the box forward, as shown in the video, to remove it completely. And here is the main cause of the ink leakage. As you can see, the pads are completely saturated. What we're going to do is clean these pads temporarily while we purchase a new set of ink pads online. Even after cleaning them, they will fill up again much faster. We remove the pads and clean them in a sink. I strongly recommend using gloves because if you clean them with bare hands, the ink can stay on your skin for several days. We also clean the plastic box, removing any remaining ink residue. Once the pads are cleaned as much as possible, we place them back inside the printer's plastic box, keeping the original structure. It's very important to leave a small square in the center of the pads, as you can see more clearly here, and also to keep the axle at the bottom. Please remember that this is only a temporary solution while we buy new ink pads online or from a specialized store. We place the pads together to avoid problems when putting them back into the box. Since placing them one by one can make the process more difficult. As you can see, the structure is now correctly assembled. Now we place the box back into the printer. Remember to let the pads dry completely so they can absorb ink properly. We put the pin back in place and tighten it gently with the screwdriver, without over-tightening. Finally, we put the cover back on. We slightly lift the printer, align the cover, and apply pressure toward the back until it clicks into place. And that's it. Our printer is now fully fixed, with no more ink leaking from the bottom. As you can see, guys, the process is quite simple. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.